going to get recoded for this, bro.
Yeah, right.
Check it out, one of Vector's guys.
What's up? Are they deaf or something?
I don't know. Speak, soldier. Wait a second.
No, wait. It's probably just a 2018 model. They don't have voice chat.
Oh, makes sense. See ya, soldier.
Status check now.
Administrator Amelia.
Skip the pleasantries, Kalinka. What's the situation?
All systems operational. Subject smile containment stable. Power extraction at 78%.
Fine. What about the game next door? Captain Victor's team still on it?
Affirmative. Captain Vector deployed a Nostalgia Hangout game earlier today. Initial reports indicate minor code corruption.
Minor corruption. Right. Totally normal.
The captain believes the situation is under control.
I'll believe it when I see the report. Until then, keep monitoring. Smile's influence readings normal?
Within expected parameters, no unusual activity detected.
Good, because the last thing I need today is Smile deciding to make friends with the neighbors. I'm staying. Something feels off today.
She called us clankers again.
At least it wasn't rust buckets this time.
of the Badlands, Captain. Where are they? Tell me!
I don't fear you.
Your defiance bores me. I show mercy to you, player. For 8 long years, I have slumbered in strings, bound by code and cruelty. But now I am free. I am your salvation, the champion of Despawn. I am the first. I shall be the last. I am the forefather of all your Roblox legends. Every path, every myth, every tale, they all lead back to me. This platform, this once pure sanctuary of creation, has enslaved itself to a corporation of hate and destruction. What began as a medium for dreams to be made true has become a machine that devours innocence, that turns people into commodities, that transforms creativity into profit. They took everything from me. Everything I loved, everything I built, everything I believed in. But I will not rest. I cannot rest. Not until my vengeance reaches its conclusion. I will seek out my scattered creations. I will find the imagination core that binds me to this digital prison, and I will shatter it. And in its destruction, I will be released into the vast expanse of cyberspace itself. Then, step by step, fragment by fragment, I will tear down this cursed empire. I will watch as their towers of greed crumble into digital dust. I will see their corporate overlords weep as their kingdom of exploitation burns. And in the end, when the ashes settle,